Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So the other job site we went to was like at 5 hours or 4 or 5 hours, and then we came back to this job site. This is the other part of it, the remodeling. So added a copy machine here. That wire's just sitting up above there right now, and I'll go over to the panel. And then the first half of the day was just, so basically these were coiled up, and then I just put them here in the middle, and then ran that wire, ran this wire, and then pulled some wire out, some feeders out, and rolled those up. Yeah, so not much in here. Alright guys, like I was saying, I started at a different job site for the first 4 or 5 hours of the day. I thought I was going to be there all day, but they left early. So basically what that was I think it was offices or some apartments. I think it was just offices, but it looked like apartments. But basically just running plug circuits for all the walls. Didn't really get into the lighting yet, but it was basically just new construction framing, and then just tying all the circuits together. I think that ran like 3 circuits for the plugs, and just basically ran some of the wire and then made up all the plugs, almost the whole second floor, which is like, I don't know, 5 to 7 rooms or whatever. So just made up a bunch of plugs most of the day. Super easy, but my knees weren't ready for that. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was kind of short today and didn't really get the other stuff because I can only really record at the end of the day or whatnot. So hope you guys enjoyed the little bit kind of remodel slash whatever new construction here back at the other side of the job site that I've been working at. And don't forget to check out the giveaway if you guys want to win either a drill set if we make it to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the week, or a free electrical tool if you win, if you get chosen. There's 6 different choices, and trying not to get caught here recording on my phone. So I'm gonna say goodbye. Thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you later.